Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kinah. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Q1 Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest subscription box. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. Alright, let's get this off the table, y'all. But y'all know what the inside of the box look like. You see it. Get it off the table. We do have the cover here, and we do have a what's inside card. So I'm gonna sit this up here and get this off the desk so I have some space to work with. And I'll go in list of what's here on the what's included card. So we have a pen. Screw that back up. This is pretty. I'm not a fan of the silver hardware, but it does go well with the florals, which are also super pretty. It's giving. It is a black gel pen. So this is the first item in our treasure chest. The second item looks familiar. I think we had this in a previous box. This is the weekly planner pad. I'm not going to open this because I didn't use the first one. I ended up giving it away. So if you want to get your hands on this, check out my Mercari shop. Link will be listed down below. But this is the weekly planner pad. The next item, we got some file folders, guys. While I probably won't use these for their intended purpose, ain't nothing wrong with repurposing something, is it? And she will. So we got 4 file folders. Mine are a little bent, but we'll live. So this the inside. Ooh, I love that color. And here is the outside print. And then we have the florals. So pretty. Folder 2, and then we have folder 3 with the inside. I'm here for these muted tones, okay? And then we have the last folder. Ooh, loving the geometric prints. Love it. So these are the 4 file folders in this month's box, in this quarter's box. Next up, next thing listed is the papers. Y'all, I'm loving that we're getting papers again. I'm loving that we're getting papers again. Oh, this is chunky. Okay, let's go through it. So we have the geometric print. They're double-sided. Yes! Don't judge me, y'all. And then the second sheet, I am loving this. And the third, I think I'm going to be buying a second pack of the papers. I don't typically go for kit extras, but sis likes this, okay? The floral, oh my goodness. How many sheets was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Y'all, we got 8 sheets of paper, double-sided paper in this quarters box. Loving it. Let's move on. Next thing on the list are these tweezers, and they are Goldmine CoCo branded. They say reverse tweezers. I've never had a pair like this. I see a lot of people use them. I'd like to make an excuse, but maybe these might work for me. I'm gonna give them a try, y'all. I will. I promise I will. So they're this nice light shade of blue. They do have, oh girl, don't butcher it, the Goldmine CoCo logo there. They do have this soft grip, and they are sturdy. These are not no cheap tweezers, sis. I feel like we gonna keep it down, girl. Keep it down. So these are the tweezers in this quarters box. Ooh, close it up, child. Okay. Next item is the sticker pack. Y'all know this is always my favorite. Structure, which is the name of this quarters box. The theme for this quarters box is structure. So, ooh, baby, right out the gate. Okay, I see you. So we have these quotes. This is white matte paper. Oh, baby. Okay. Is this clear? I think these are clear. Yep. Clear gloss. Very nice. Very nice. Build yourself for the future of your dreams. Strong women lift each other up. Slay every day. Be the best version of yourself. Structure helps you move ahead with a proper plan to achieve your goals. Believe you have infinite potential. Get things done. Felicia, if you don't layer these stickers for us, thank ya. Thank ya. Get it done. Okay. And then we've got these floral deco. Ooh, girl, this called pressure because Felicia was feeling the pressure from us floral lovers to give us some more florals. Time to make some magic. Be you, do you. You know, and I'm loving that she incorporated that geometric print there. And then we have the ladies that came to slay. Okay, so we've got brown. I love that she mixed in the brown dolls and the light brown dolls. And then we have this washi strip. And then we've got some quotes. These are clear. I think these are clear. Yep, they're clear. So you've got some clear washi strips. And then we have another white matte page. Week 1 through week 4. Monthly goals. This month plans. Remember pending completed projects, deadline, strategies, thoughts. And then we have structure. We got some more dolls and a strip of washi there. And the last sheet, structure helps you move ahead with a plan. Routine, I am great at. My life plans healthy habits. We've got these rounded squares. I can't call them squovels. They're rares. Okay, we're doing too much. Habits, productivity, organized. We've got a habit tracker here and some flags. Some more dolls. Girl, what is you doing? So this is our 10-page sticker pack. Last but not least, wait a minute. Okay, so we have some PVC dashboards. Let me look in here because we got some different sized things. Let's see. Okay, so this one says intentional days create a life on purpose. And then this one says, I am worthy of everything I desire. So I think, just my opinion, I don't know anything. These were sized the way they were sized so that you can cut them down or use them as is for any size planner. So I could definitely cut this down and fit this into a mini, personal wide, B6, all of that. And then this one looks like it would fit in a classic. Depending on how wide this is, it could probably get cut down to fit into an A5. It would be a very close cut, but awesome. I love this. And then we have something that's not even here on the card, and it looks like some more stickers. So we've got some oval headers. Okay, not all oval headers. Okay, we've got some drops, some dots, some squares, some squigglies, some circles, some double boxes, and some boxes. Cute. Okay, it says Essential Elements Planner Pack. Cute, y'all. Look at that. Okay, flag on the play. We including extra stuff that was not included when you included it. Okay. Alright, so that is the Essential Elements Planner Pack. Alright, y'all. This is the Q1 Goldmine CoCo Treasure Chest subscription box. that's all, folks. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.